I don't know what it is, but kids will always leave their books to write on anything around the house. I mean, anything. So my kids use permanent marker to write on this part of the house, and I will show you how to take them out. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So for this project, we'll be using three things. This nail polish remover, as you can see, it's 100% pure acetone. We'll be using some alcohol. This is the brand I got, the Equate. I got this from Walmart. And we're gonna need some paper towel. You can use cotton if you have, but I think paper towel is the best for now. So right now, I just use water and I'm trying to get the permanent marker off, as you can see, but it's not helping the situation. So every part they wrote on, I just took some wet paper towel and trying to clean it just to show you that it was a permanent marker and it cannot come off with water. So after doing this test, I proceeded by using alcohol for the first try, and we started off by taking the permanent marker on the wood floor. And once I just did that, I didn't need much, just a little quantity will go a long way, and you can add it as you go. So as you can see, I just put that on my paper towel and just started cleaning, and voila, it was easy peasy. And they are written on the floor before, and I used the acetone. It worked well too, so you can try that as well. And the next part of the house will be trying the chairs, so they wrote on that too. And I tried so many things, even though some wipes to take it off, but it wasn't working. So I tried using the alcohol again to see if it was gonna take this off. And as I said, a little will go a long way, and you can add it as you go. So I'm just putting the alcohol on my paper towel and I'm just rubbing it on the permanent marker. As you can see, it's taking the paint, or it's taking the stain off, but it's not taking it off completely. Like, you need to rub and rub and rub. You see right there, we'll have a little bit of it that's off, but we still have the writings all over the place. So what I decided to do now is to try using the acetone. So I have a fresh paper towel, and I'll just apply a little bit of the acetone onto it. And after doing that, I'll just rub on there, and let's see what it does. As you can see, some of the stains have been taken off using the acetone. So right now what I'm going to do is put more of the acetone into a fresh paper towel, and we're going to use it to take off the rest of it. So you just have to try either the alcohol or the acetone to see on what surface is going to work. I'm sure there are other things out there that you can use, but this is just what I had around the house. I just said let me try it, and it worked for me, so I said let me share it with you. Let me know in the comment section, what do you use in removing stains around the house, especially permanent marker stains? So let me know, and maybe I could try that too. So as you can see, I will just clean that, just rub the acetone on it, and it took it off. It took it off for me. The alcohol didn't work on the chairs, but as you saw earlier, it worked on the wood flooring. So just try whatever thing you have at home, and it might help. And you want to make sure too it's something that is not gonna change the color of the surface or damage it one way or another. After completing the work, this is what we have at the end of the day. As you can see, most of the stains, in fact all of it, is out. I have a fresh couch right now and I'm happy. You can purchase the things I use here in your local supply beauty supply store or your grocery store. I got mine from Walmart. So whatever store you have, you can check them out. Maybe they have that too, or you can purchase them online. So this is what I have. Now we're going to proceed on this thing on the wall. On this part, I would say you need to be careful on the pressure you apply on it, because I experienced that some pain was coming off. Like you see at some point, as I'll be showing you the video, as you're rubbing the alcohol on it or the acetone, you have a little bit of paint coming off. So you want to be really careful, that way you don't destroy the nature of the paint or maybe create more stains. As you can see right now, it's leaving like some stains after you clean it. So this is just us using the alcohol and it took it off. But what I did later was to take a fresh piece of paper and apply the acetone just to clean off the edge of it and those things, and it helped to take it off. And as I said earlier, you want to make sure you're gentle when it comes to the wall because of the paint, because it might wash off some of the paint, so be gentle while you're doing this. So this is what I got. I hope you enjoy watching the video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.